Hello everyone, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and today's post is about saving time when you're loading a large assembly. So I have a little test assembly that I made for this little video, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to load it structure only. So I go to File, Load Options, Structure Only, double click on the icon, and voila, the whole assembly loads without any of the components. So even if you have a humongous assembly, then it will load very quickly. But then what you do is you create component groups, and the component groups are made so that you can open up just portions. So for example, in this little post I've got plastic components, I've got fasteners, and when I double click on just the plastic components, there they all are, and I don't have to open up everything. If I want to see all the fasteners, so just hide those, I could open up just the fasteners, and there's all the fasteners in a component, in the assembly. And that is a fantastic technique, because when you create component groups, if you have a very large assembly, then you just open up those portions that you want. For example, if you have a automobile, you've got millions of parts, but if you just want the chassis, or if you just want, let's say, the steering components, you create component groups for the steering column and the steering wheel and all that, and so you don't have to open up the whole assembly. So this saves you an amazing amount of time. It's one of the things that makes NX so good at large assemblies. And of course now I can open up other components at will, but I opened up structure only, and then I used my component groups to bring up the rest. So fantastic. Again, my name is Steve Samuel from Design Visionaries, and please like and subscribe if you can, if you like the video, and I'll see you next one. Thank you.